Nay, pang kay G kwarto
Kaya,
Abang kayo Wow! Happy birthday!
thank you.
Nagbayag kayo, mat. Tamo kagawid kayo.
Kanaagag ko ka kami na kwan.
Kay,
Nagarugi mo na.
Ada letter na to, dandan nyo na lang
Natatindig
ikwa.
na.
Dandan na, naka-sketch tape pa eh.
nataintid na.
Ren. Hindi naman sila so good.
Nakaipi pa.
Dandan na, para ano, naka-sketch tape. Dandan.
Ginano, mahalakaw na.
Wala na.
Ang ganda.
Kaya na, awan din na.
Rose. Birthday nyo?
Awan minta mo nga kontak.
Awan.
Nag-
Birthday na nga rin. Ano yan? Wow.
There, mommy pay. On this special day, I want to express my deepest gratitude for everything you've done for
Hindi
me.
pa na yung kumatalutulo na.
Your love, guidance, and endless sacrifice have shaped
Nagsakitin. Nalakat ta.
years.
Wala ka itong tumugay.
Awan, mali mo
Today.
sumukot.
You've not just my mother, but also my greatest role model and source of strength. Today,
Lagbado kayo man.
I want to celebrate you and all that you are. Happy 74th birthday, Mom. May your day be filled with love, joy, and all the happiness you deserve. And one more thing, please stop arguing always with Daddy Peter. I love you. But please take care your health always. God bless. Mwah, mwah.
Yay! Happy birthday to you. Ano yung cake? Wow, bagi ka. Ay, joke lang. Picture kayo.